Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a small Mexican taqueria. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Sam and Mina, and the staff at the taqueria. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Which salsa is the taqueria's secret salsa? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Look at this place. It's small, but so many people are waiting outside.
Yeah, this line is long. I think it goes around the corner.
Are they all waiting for a table?
Some of them are. Others are waiting to order food to go.
It's just a tiny building. I didn't think there would be this many people.
That's actually a good sign, Sam.
Really? Why?
When local people wait in a long line for a small place, the food is usually really good.
I never thought about it that way.
Big, nice restaurants can be great too, but a busy little place like this often means something special.
Makes sense. Tourists don't usually come here. This looks like a place for people who live nearby.
Exactly. Many people here seem to know the workers already. They probably come here a lot.
There's no big menu on the window either, just a small paper one.
I like that. It means they keep things simple.
There are only a few plastic tables outside and some old wooden benches.
It doesn't look special at all, but it feels friendly.
I can hear people laughing inside. It sounds like a fun place.
I love that feeling. It's more exciting than a quiet, empty restaurant.
True, an empty restaurant can actually be a little scary.
Right. You always wonder why nobody is eating there.
Hey, look at that sign above the door.
What does it say?
It says, "Try our secret salsa."
A secret salsa. That sounds interesting.
I wonder what makes it a secret.
Maybe it's a special family recipe.
Or maybe it's just really spicy and they don't want to tell people how spicy.
Maybe. I really want to know now.
Me too. I hope we can find it inside.
The line is moving pretty fast now.
Good. I'm getting hungry.
Same here. I can already smell something delicious.
It smells like grilled meat and fresh bread.
I think that's the tortillas. They probably make them here.
I hope so. Fresh tortillas are so much better.
We're almost at the door now.
I can't wait to see what's inside.
Me too. Let's go find that secret salsa.
Hi there, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like 3 tacos, please. Also, 1 burrito for my friend.
Sure. Do you want corn tortillas or flour tortillas for the tacos?
What's the difference?
Corn tortillas are small and a little thicker. Flour tortillas are bigger and softer.
Which one do most people choose?
For tacos, most people choose corn tortillas. That's the usual way.
Okay, let's do corn tortillas then.
Good choice. What kind of meat would you like?
What do you have?
We have chicken, beef, and fish.
I'll have 2 chicken and 1 beef, please, and chicken for the burrito, too.
No problem. Give me a minute.
Sure, take your time.
Would you like anything to drink?
What do you have?
We have water, lemonade, and a few kinds of soda.
I'll take a lemonade, please.
Good choice. It's really fresh and cold.
Sounds perfect for a hot day like this.
I always use 2 small tortillas for 1 taco so it doesn't break.
Oh, I didn't know that. Why 2?
If you only use 1, it's not strong enough. The meat and toppings are heavy.
That makes sense. I never saw that before.
A lot of people don't see that, but if we use just 1 tortilla, it breaks open.
I like watching you make it. It looks really fast.
I have worked here for 5 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
I still enjoy it. Every day is a little different.
That's great. It's nice to hear you enjoy your work.
Do you and your friend want anything else, like chips or a drink?
I think we're good for now. Thank you for asking.
Great. Here's your number. Please find any open table, and we'll bring your food to you.
Thank you so much. It will take about 5 minutes, right?
Yes, about 5 minutes.
Perfect. We'll go find a seat.
You can find rice and beans over there if you want more food.
Great, thank you. Oh, one more question.
Sure, go ahead.
Where can I find the salsa bar?
It's right over there, next to the drinks.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal.
Wow, look at all these salsas.
There are so many colors. Red, green, and even a dark brown one.
There are also little bowls of onions and lime.
And look, they have fresh cilantro too. Some people call it coriander.
I love cilantro. I put it on almost everything.
Not everyone likes it. Some people say it tastes like soap.
Really? That's so strange to me.
I read that some people just taste it in a different way.
That's interesting. I never knew that.
Which one will you try first?
I don't know. Maybe I'll go with this bright red one. It looks the safest.
Why do you think that one is safe?
Red usually means tomato, right? That should not be too spicy.
I'm not so sure about that.
Green looks more dangerous to me. Green often means hot peppers.
Actually, I read that the color doesn't always tell you how spicy it is.
Really? That's new to me.
Some green salsas are not spicy at all, and some red salsas are really hot.
Well, I'm still going to try the red one first.
Okay, go for it.
Let me just taste a tiny bit with this spoon. Here goes.
How is it?
Whoa, that's really spicy.
Are you okay?
My mouth is on fire. I need water right now.
The color doesn't tell you how spicy it is.
You're right. That was a big mistake.
Here, drink some water.
Thank you. That is so much hotter than I thought.
What does it taste like besides spicy?
Actually, it's really good. I just wasn't ready for it.
Maybe I should try a little bit too.
Be careful. Just use a tiny amount.
Okay, here I go. Oh wow, you're right, that's strong.
See? I told you.
I wonder what makes it so hot.
I have no idea, but I want more water first.
Let's find a table and wait for our food.
Good idea. I hope it comes soon. Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is taco, meaning a Mexican food with meat and vegetables inside a tortilla. For example, we ordered 3 tacos for lunch. The second word is tortilla, meaning a soft, round bread made from corn or flour. For example, the taco has meat inside a warm tortilla. The third word is salsa, meaning a sauce made from tomatoes, peppers, or other vegetables. For example, this salsa is really spicy today. The fourth word is spicy, meaning food with a hot, strong taste. For example, be careful, that red sauce is very spicy. The fifth word is homemade, meaning made by hand, not bought at a store. For example, the tortillas here are homemade and fresh. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now let's go back to Sam and Mina at the Taqueria.
Excuse me, is this table number 12?
Yes, that's us.
Great, I have your food right here.
Thank you so much. It looks delicious.
Careful, the plate is a little hot.
I will be careful. Thank you for telling me.
You ordered the chicken tacos, the beef taco, and one burrito, right?
Yes, that's exactly right. You remembered it well.
We write it all down in the kitchen so we don't forget.
That's smart. It must get busy back there.
It does. It's very busy at lunchtime, like right now.
I can imagine. This place is full of people.
These tortillas are fresh. We made them just a few minutes ago.
Really? You make them here every day?
Yes, we make fresh tortillas all day, from morning to night.
That's amazing. I love fresh tortillas.
On a busy day, we sell about 500 tacos.
500? That's so many.
Yes, this place is small, but we are always busy.
I can see why. The food smells wonderful.
Thank you. We love our food.
How many people work in the kitchen?
Usually 4 or 5 people work together.
That's not a lot of people for so many tacos.
It's true, but everyone works very fast.
I think that's great.
We also open early so we can start cooking before the doors open.
What time do you usually open?
We open at 10 in the morning and close at 9 at night.
That's a long day for everyone here.
It is, but the customers make us happy.
I can tell you all really enjoy your work.
Do you need anything else? More napkins, maybe?
Yes, please. A few more napkins would be great.
No problem. I will bring some right away.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Everything looks amazing.
If you need anything, just wave at me.
I will. Thank you again.
Have a great meal.
Thanks. I'm sure we will.
This taco is so good, but it's really hard to eat.
What's wrong?
Look, the meat and toppings keep falling out.
Yeah, tacos can be messy.
It's falling apart.
Try holding it with both hands and eat it quickly.
I'm trying, but everything keeps dropping on my plate.
That happens to a lot of people. Small tacos are hard to eat.
I feel like I need 3 more napkins already.
Just take your time. There's no rush.
Easy for you to say. Your burrito isn't falling apart.
True, burritos are much easier to eat with your hands.
Next time, I'll order a burrito too, just to be safe.
Or you can just enjoy a little mess. It's part of the fun.
How is your burrito?
It's much easier to eat. Everything is wrapped up inside.
That's why you chose a burrito, huh?
Yes, I remembered how messy tacos can be.
Smart choice. Maybe I should have picked a burrito too.
You can still enjoy the tacos, just eat over your plate.
Good idea. I don't want to drop food on my shirt.
The corn tortillas taste amazing though.
They really do. So soft and fresh.
I can see why they use 2 tortillas.
Yeah, Carmen told me they use 2 so it doesn't break.
1 tortilla would break with all this meat and salsa.
For sure. This chicken taco is my favorite so far.
The beef one looks good too. Can I try a bite?
Sure. Here you go.
That's really good. The meat is so soft.
Right? I could eat 5 more of these.
Let's finish these first before we order more.
Good plan. I'm still a little full from breakfast.
Same here. Let's just enjoy what we have.
How's the rice and beans on the side?
They're really good too. Simple, but very tasty.
I love places like this. Simple food, but it tastes so good.
Me too. I think we found a new favorite spot.
Agreed. This is a really great lunch.
I'm so happy we found this place.
Look, there's a small sign taped next to the counter.
What does it say?
It says, "Our secret salsa is the red one on the bar. It's our most popular salsa."
Wait, that's the one I tried?
So you found the secret salsa without even knowing it.
Now I know why it was so spicy.
I guess that's why so many people were choosing the red one.
I saw a few people taking extra small boxes of it home.
Now I understand why. It's their most famous salsa.
I'm glad I tried it, even if my mouth was on fire.
I want to bring some of that salsa home with us.
That's a good idea. I saw small containers by the door.
Let's grab one before we leave.
Good thinking. I want to try it again, just more slowly this time.
Slowly and with a lot of water nearby.
For sure.
Okay, let's pay. How much was the total?
I think it was about $18.
Here, I have some cash.
Look, there's a small jar next to the counter.
Oh, right. That's probably for tips.
Should we put some money in there?
Here in the US, some people leave a small tip at the counter.
Why is that?
The staff here work really hard, and tips help them earn more money.
That makes sense. Let's put in a few dollars.
Good idea. They took great care of us.
This was such a fun lunch.
I agree. I want to come back again soon.
Me too. Next time, I'll be more careful with the red salsa.
Good plan. Let's go find some ice cream now.
That sounds perfect after all that spicy food.
My mouth still feels a little warm, actually.
Mine too, but in a good way.
This might be my favorite meal of the whole trip so far.
Mine too. I'm so glad we waited in that long line.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Which salsa is the Taqueria's secret salsa? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.